All right, this is the day we pull the motor out. I've got some videos of it coming out, but running the forklift and doing all this is kind of hard for me to do both at the same time. So there's the tree fitty out of the car. Yep, it's a 350. And transmission's on a cart. We put it over there now because I pulled it out with it. Of course, we had to spill something, right? So that's the engine bay of this car. Uncleaned up, all original. You can see how nice the brake booster is and everything down there. The unpainted motor mount. This has the clamshell motor mount. So we'll get the pressure washer out and do some good cleaning on this thing. Looks like it's going fast with no motor in it. And then the 502, of course, will be going in this car when we've got all that set up on the engine stand. So another video, another project will be on that. But that's just the day of pulling it out with the SkyTrack. So pretty uneventful. Came right out. Hope the 502 goes in there that easy. There's the clamshell motor mounts, which these things are strong, man. That's where Chevy had all those problems in the 50s and 60s, breaking motor mounts and pulling your accelerator cable and having people doing donuts in the intersection and all the wrecks they had. They came up with finally that system that works really good, but you know, they had interim ones. But these are, if you want to race, man, that's your motor mount. So more than likely very little of this motor is going to be used other than the compressor, alternator. I don't know, a couple of the brackets may work on the big block, but I've got a whole set of big block brackets coming for that 502, and we're saving this for something else. And some kind of stock project, maybe a car that came with a V6 or an Iron Duke or something like that from the 70s. Put this 350 in there, something that never had it. Clean it all up, of course. That's the engine bay. It will clean up good. It's going to need a lot of cleanup. Even this car's low mile, they're getting dirty. So that's a picture of the El Camino there. I don't know if I haven't seen much of the inside. We've shown it before, but that's what this thing looks like. It's just a gem. You can tell these cars how nice they are by these air-conditioned vents. Most of these things you see are just, the chrome is just gone on them. That tells you all you need to know on these cars. Of course, the steering wheel and seats, and that's why we're kind of making this thing something really cool, because regular old 350 El Camino is pretty damn boring. And of course, this is a 77, which is not the desired years. They got to have your 69 to 72s, which frames aren't as strong as this, but this is actually in a genuine comparison, a better car than those, all condition aside. But that's just what people like. So the colonnade type cars like these, which is what this is, started in 73, got a huge lot of improvements. Tons of videos, people tell you all about the difference in those. And these cars are coming around. In my opinion, this is the strongest A-body you can get. And so, basically from 73 to 77. So Buick, Olds, Pontiacs, Chevys, and an A-body and a colonnade stuff, you're going to have one stout street machine platform. So, and of course, they're heavy, but they're nothing compared to most things. Even that Solera, I think, is about the same weight now. That's the video for this project.